So this is a tutorial on what to do if one of your 3D models in Blender is showing pink instead of showing the proper texture. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just go File, just click over on File, External Data, Find Missing Files. Then just select the texture folder that has your textures. Usually it will be in the zip file. Right. Yeah, just like that, it goes from being pink to having its textures applied. As for your textures, they're normally like in the folder where you'd have downloaded things. So you'd have downloaded a zip file, and that's where the textures are. As for it goes pink because you would have forgotten to click over here on automatically pack files into .blend. Or in some cases, you would have changed the name of a texture file. So yeah, if you want to go from being pink to having these textures again, go to File, External Data, find missing files, then click the folder that has the missing textures. Assuming the textures are still on your computer. If the textures are no longer on your computer, then you have to re-download the file. Anyways, thank you for watching. Anyways, if you're wondering which model I'm using for this, I'm using the Love Hotel Expansion 2 for this demo. If you want to download it, it'll be in the description below. Or you can just check it out on my Linktree, Linktree/Shadow